Hey new moms! I know how much you care about your baby's skin, and today, I'm here to share some natural tips to help keep it looking soft and fair. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about bathing. Use lukewarm water and a gentle, chemical-free soap. Harsh chemicals can irritate your baby's delicate skin, so always opt for something natural. You can even try adding a few drops of coconut oil to the bath water. It's super moisturizing. Next, moisturizing is key. After a bath, pat your baby dry with a soft towel and apply a natural moisturizer. I love using shea butter or almond oil. Both are great for keeping the skin hydrated and soft. Just make sure to do a patch test first to avoid any allergic reactions. Sun protection is crucial too. Babies have very sensitive skin, so keep them out of direct sunlight as much as possible. If you need to go outside, use a lightweight, breathable hat and keep your baby in the shade. For babies older than 6 months, you can use a baby-safe sunscreen. Now let's talk about diet. What you eat can affect your baby's skin, especially if you're breastfeeding. Foods rich in vitamin C and E, like oranges and almonds, can help improve skin health. Also, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is super important. Have you heard about the magic of milk? Milk baths can be incredibly soothing for your baby's skin. Just add a cup of milk to the bath water and let your baby soak for about 10 minutes. The lactic acid in milk has gentle exfoliating properties, which can help in keeping the skin smooth and fair. Don't forget the power of massage. Regularly massaging your baby's skin with natural oils can improve blood circulation and skin tone. Olive oil, coconut oil, or even a gentle baby oil can work wonders. Plus, it's a great bonding time for you and your little one. Finally, always remember, less is more when it comes to baby skincare. Avoid overwashing and over-applying products. Your baby's skin is perfect just the way it is, and sometimes a little goes a long way. That's it for today, moms. Keeping your baby's skin fair and healthy naturally is all about gentle care and lots of love. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mom-friendly advice. Until next time, keep smiling and cherish these precious moments.